Hello, my name is Troy White. I'm a portfolio manager and financial educator with Hoodoo Financial. And today I'm going to talk to you about portfolio investing. We all understand that we need to invest in order to build wealth, but the concept of investing, to most people, it causes confusion, anxiety, frustration. And investing has really never been as accessible to us all as it is now. But along with that, accessibility has it also has never been as complex as it is today. So although sometimes it seems simple, it's simple to buy a stock, but to invest to achieve your goals um, requires a lot more than stock picking. And so most people hear about uh, a good investment and they'll invest as much as they can afford into it and they'll watch it, rise and fall. And they do this occasionally when they hear about the latest hot stock, and if they have any money saved in their savings account, they'll slice a little bit off and invest into that individual stock. Well, this is a recipe for failure, and I see it happening all the time, and it's partially because most people think they don't have enough to invest with, and I try my best to dispel those rumors or those feelings, those assumptions, because that's incorrect. Um, with so much new technology and along with the complexity, it investing requires to become financially literate, to make financial plans, and to invest with the right methods and strategies in order to grow your assets. And you know, to summarize, that means you need to engage in portfolio investing. Portfolio investing is not a one thing. It's a way to build your wealth. It's the modern money management, asset management methods, and portfolio investing is the opposite of picking one stock at a time. It's investing in a collection of assets, but those assets are not randomly selected. Those assets are selected based on your financial planning needs. So that means it needs to be some planning and analysis ahead of time. And with today's technology, strategies, methods, and financial literacy, you can build an investment portfolio that will achieve your financial planning goals, the goals you have for yourself, for your family, etc. And so I am inviting you to our next investment workshop. Um, we're going to show you how to build an investment portfolio. We're going to show you how to build generational wealth. We're going to show you how to pass on your assets to leave a legacy for your heirs. And we're going to even discuss with you, and try my best to convince you to realize that you can invest even if you have very little money to start with. And we're going to discuss these things and a lot more. Click the link below and register for our next investment workshop. And we're going to talk about these things. And I hope to see you there. It's free, online investment workshop. Click the link below. Thanks for listening. Holler.